Hi guys, I've made a little bit of progress on this Monster High car. Right, first of all, we've got that gearbox in place. It's not fixed in place, but it's in place. So that's good. Then at the front end, I've been 3D printing to make, let's see, that way round I think I had it in mind. Make ourselves a steering linkage. Oh, that's wrong. That way around. Right, so that'll screw together. That one will fit in there. It is cut the right size so I can get the wire down in beside it. I'm just not going to push it in there at the moment. And that one will fit on there. Actually, it probably fit that way up. So I've got my little horn on there. So that'll give us our steering. So what I've got to do now is cut most of this out the way. I want to try and retain that post because that holds the body shell in place. So let's see if we can get this in there. I might have to change the dimensions a bit, but at the moment I think I've got it about right. But we have got to cut all of this out, most of this, and we've got to try and retain those in place. Got to get these wheels out as well. So that'll be the next thing. I'll cut all that out. It's quite soft plastic, so a sharp knife does it. I haven't been using my hot knife and burning it or melting it. I've just been cutting it. So we'll see. Oh, these I've made them so they actually match. There's a couple of steps there, and that's designed to go over those steps, so it goes right in. These metal axles just happen to be the right size to go in. There's already a hole in the wheel there, so that fits in quite nicely. What I need to do is get the length of it just right, and I'll solder a washer on there to stop it sliding off that way. But I've got to get that length right so that it doesn't actually foul on that post. So I've given myself about 6mm to do it. So that should be alright if I get it right. I had to cut quite a bit of the plastic out. I've managed to leave those two posts, but they probably haven't got much strength. But it's only to hold the bodywork in place. So yeah, a fair bit cut out the way to give us steering. I'll probably hot glue this assembly in place. It's actually sitting there quite nicely. I don't think it'll move, but I think just a bit of hot glue around it just to stop it moving. I did make these to go on top of here and put a screw through, but because I've arranged it through the plastic, it's actually retained in place by the plastic, so I don't need to put them on. So I need to get a servo in there. This is where we find if I really have left enough space for the wire to get through. Yeah, we did. Okay, and then that bit of wire's got to pop up through there. And then a linkage from there down to there. I would have liked that to have been lower down, but you've got to keep the clearance underneath. I could have turned it on its side, but we'll try it like that. Right, bit of hot glue there to hold it in place, top and bottom, because I don't think the hot glue will actually stick to this plastic very well, but because we've got it on both sides, then that should wedge it in place. So I guess we can give it a little test. Oh, I still haven't fixed that in place either. A bit of hot glue on there will probably do the job. I'll do that in a second. We'll just rig up a receiver, ESC, and transmitter would be handy. Oh dear. What's going on there? Ah, we're out of power. What I was just going to say was I'd forgotten about this transmitter and receiver. I'm not quite sure the brand. I bought it cheap on eBay quite a long time ago. It was my first pistol grip type transmitter, and I think the very first time I tried it, I pushed that too far. Yeah, it sticks over there. But it does work, apart from that minor little problem. So I guess I better put some fresh batteries in it. Yeah, just 4 AA's. Right, we'll try that again. Power on. Power on. So, that bit works. Except it's reversed for this one. Oh, this one's reversed already. Okay, it's got throttle tree. I suppose that's something. Okay, and then which way is that going to be? Okay, well, we'll put a linkage in there and see if we can get it to run. I think that'll probably do. I don't think we need anything stronger than that at the moment. We're not going to be racing. This is just to run round in the kitchen and that. So there we go. We have a hobby grade, radio controlled, monster high car. I don't have any of the matching dolls put in it, so that's it. That wasn't quite as bad as I thought. 3D printing the steering made life a lot easier to get something to match and fit. So yeah, job done. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.